Hey everyone, Julia Child here. I have my 2021 Orion RXB 150XL all ready to go for its first test drive so I can get a first impression on how the bike rides. So without further ado, let's go. All right, so that was my first test drive of the bike. Overall, I think this bike is super fun and definitely worth it. There are a couple things that we might tweak and address in the future. And just a little disclaimer, I am very new to riding. I just received my motorcycle endorsement this summer, and I haven't really been on a bike too much yet. So some of these things could be just my error and not actually something wrong with the bike. So first thing, the location of the rear brake is a little tricky to get to. It's not very natural like I've felt on other bikes that I've ridden on, so we might adjust that a little bit. Another thing is the shifter. Now this was my first time actually riding with dirt bike boots, so it could easily be just me having an issue shifting, but I especially had an issue shifting down. So that might just be the shifter itself. We'll address that in the future and see with more practice if it gets better. The last thing that's really important is the speedometer. And I know I've seen that the speedometer isn't always accurate on these bikes out of the box. So I definitely saw, and you'll see in a couple of the clips, that I'm going 10 miles per hour in third gear, which probably not. So I definitely think that needs to be addressed. That'll be featured in a new video coming up. Also, I will be doing more rides on this bike, more videos showing this bike. So if you're interested in those, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.